Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your tax forms on Uber Eats driver app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and start filing their taxes. How do you actually go ahead and access your tax forms on Uber Eats driver app? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to log into your Uber Eats driver app. And then you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand side. Next, you're going to click on account, and then you're going to click on tax info, which is located underneath plus a card. So here you could actually click on your tax forms, tax summaries, or tax settings. So we're just going to click on tax forms. And then here is where you'll be able to go ahead and get your tax forms, which are available by January 31st, the following each year. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your tax forms. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next